Come test drive the 2019 Q7. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension type, strut, ambient lighting, braking assist. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, electronic messaging assistance with read function, refrigerated storage, Audi Connect satellite communications, footwell lights, cruise control, trip computer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.